Hi guys, nagbabalik si Kuya Linux at ngayon ay didiscuss natin yung ayan sa taas, solving quadratic equation using the formula and using the cross method or by cross method. So we use the similar example. So x squared plus 9x plus 18 is equal to 0. So tandaan natin yung standard format ng quadratic ganito: ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Yan yung format niya, di ba? Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So sa equation natin, ang a is equal to 1. Ang b is equal to 9. Diba? Tapos yung c is equal to 18. Okay? So yung formula ng quadratic, so formula, ano ba yung formula niya? Ax is equal to negative b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Lagyan natin ito ng parentheses kasi buo yan eh. Ayan o. Ayan. Tapos ito naman. Okay. So, substitute the values. Ayun o. So x is equal to parentheses negative b, which is 9, plus minus square root b squared. So that is 9 squared. Diba? Minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 18. Okay? Divided by 2 times a, which is 1. Yan. So ito, lagyan natin ng space para medyo hiwalay. Yun. Lagay ko yung parentheses dito. Kasi naka-parentheses siya eh. Diba? Yan. Yan yung formula. Oh, sorry. Yan yung solving by formula. So, simplify natin. So, x is equal to negative 9 plus minus square root of 9 over 2. 9 square. So, square root 9 square 81 minus 4 times 1 is 4 times 18 72 over 2a or 2 times 1 is 2. Okay? Simplifying further, x is equal to negative 9 plus minus 81 minus 72 is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. Okay? So, buo yan. Lagyan natin ng parentheses uli. Over 2. So, we have two solution. Using plus and using minus. Yung kagaya din nung sa completing the square. So, we use the positive one first. So, x is equal to negative 9 plus 3 over 2. Lagyan natin ng parentheses para hindi malito. Yan o. So, x is equal to negative 9 plus 3 is negative 6. Unlike sign, no? So, negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. So, yan yung isa. Lagyan natin ng space dito. Medyo, yan. So, yung isa naman, gagamitin natin yung negative. So, x is equal to negative 9 minus 3 close parentheses over 2. So, x is equal to, so like sign, add negative 9 plus negative 3 is negative 12 over 2 is negative 6. So parehas, di ba? Yung ginamit natin dun sa completing the square, parehas siya ng sagot, negative 3 and negative 6. So shortcut yan. Pero meron pang isang shortcut, yung cross. Okay? So, subukan naman natin yung cross method. So, burahin natin to, ha. Yan. So, yung cross method, paano ba yung cross method? Ito. Yung x square, paghiwalayin mo siya. Ayan o. Yan. Di ba? Sorry, lagyan natin ng space. Yan. Tapos, yung 18, mag-isip ka ng factor. Di ba? Ang factor niya is 6 and 3. Or 9 and 2. Or 18 and 1. So, tatlo. 6 and 3, 9 and 2, 18 and 1. Subukan natin yung 9 and 2. So, lagay mo yung 9 dyan. Lagay mo yung 2 dito. 2. Yan. Ay, sorry. Yan. Tapos i-cross multiply mo yan. Yung x times 9 tsaka yung x times 2. So magiging x times 9, 9x. Then plus, ipa-plus mo siya, 2 times x, 2x. Then you add, is equal to 11x. So dapat, yung 11x na yan, i-equal dun sa pangalawang term, which is 9x. So hindi siya equal. So mali. Mali yung factor na yan ng 18. So gamitin naman natin yung 3 and 6 or 6 and 3. So x six, tapos x 3. Yan. So again, multiply, cross. Yan, cross multiplication. So 6 times x, 6x. Plus 3 times x, 3x. And then you add, that is 9x. So equal na siya. Parehas na siya, di ba? So ibig sabihin, tama itong ating factor na to. So mangyayari dyan, lagyan natin space, x plus 6. Yan yung isa, So ganyan yan eh. Yan. X plus 6 plus x plus 3 is equal to 0. Actually, factor yan ng trinomial na x squared plus 9x plus 18. Pag minultiply mo yan, x plus 6 times x plus 3 is equal to x squared plus 9x plus 18. Sorry. Ganito siya. Walang plus. Yan. Yan, ganyan lang siya. Equal yan dun sa given. So, masasolve mo na yung x. I-equate mo yan, yung dalawang term na yan, sa 0. Iwasan natin to para pumasya. Maliit yung ating blackboard. Teka. Yan. Gaya ko ng space dito. Yan na. So, equating. So, x plus 6 is equal to 0. Transpose 6 to the right side. X is negative 6. Di ba parehas? Yung isa naman, x plus 3 is equal to 0. Transpose Transpose positive 3 to the right side. So x is equal to negative 3. Parehas ba guys? Parehas, di ba? Yung completing the square plus by formula, tapos itong cross method, parehas. So kung meron kayong question, just mag-comment lang kayo dun sa comment bar, no? So madali itong cross, or mas madali yung by formula. So bahala na kayo, no? Yung kasi yung completing the square mahaba, pero ito parang simple lang. Okay guys, so hanggang dito na lang muna. Thanks for watching and see you on my next content tutorial. Bye bye.